Good morning, folks. Mobile Geezer here. On my way out for the two of us to do a little shopping. So I just wanted to give this Alcatel Idol 4S one more chance. When we did the last test, I was shooting in 4K, and with the frame rate, it was pretty terrible. So I decided to make it a fair test. I should do a 1080p video. So right now, I'm talking to you on the Idol 4S front-facing cam. And today we'll do our test with the rear-facing cam at 1080p. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, folks, Alcatel Idol 4S rear-facing camera 1080p test. We already know the 4K test didn't work out so well because the frame rate was so terrible. So I am hoping this is better. But I figured to be fair to the phone and to you viewers, the best thing to do was give it a 1080p test and see if that came out a lot better. Right now we're driving on the streets, and in a minute or two we'll be on the highway, so you'll get a good idea of what it's like. Also, I'll be getting on the highway at the same place I did the other day with the 4K test, and that's where you could see how bad the frame rate really was. So you'll be able to compare oranges to oranges to see exactly how it is with the 1080p. Folks, same stretch of road, passing the same signs, and I noticed when I hit the first sign getting on the highway the other day, that's when the frame rate looked the absolute worst. So we'll see how that same sign looks this time. Got a very rainy, wet day here. It should be okay for our video test. That there's not so much traffic out today. We've had rain solid for a few days now.
Much needed.
So this will just be a short test to give you guys a fair idea of the differences between the 1080p on the Idol 4S and the 4K. That's about it for the test, folks. Let me know what you think and if this was much better than the 4K test. Talk to you later. Oh, and as always, comments are welcome, and thanks for watching.